to our channel. Well, today I'm going to show you all how to prepare chicken chili semi gravy, and also I'll be sharing a secret method which is used in Chinese cooking to tenderize the chicken, which will really make it nice and tender and juicy from the inside. So basically, when you fry the chicken normally, it really turns dry and hard from inside, which actually doesn't give you a better result for your chicken chili or any other Chinese dish you're cooking. So if you use this method, you will get the best results. So let's get started. So I've taken 150 gram of chicken breast and I've washed it and I've cut it into strips like this. Usually in chicken chili they use chicken strips. So the method I'm going to use to marinate the chicken is known as velveting the chicken. So I'll add the chicken strips in a bowl. You can alter the quantity as per your requirement. Now I'll be adding some salt. 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 whole egg, and I made a mixture of 2 tablespoon corn flour and 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, and I'll add to the bowl. I've used the velveting process in my previous videos also to make the chicken nice and tender, and velveting includes egg and corn flour, which actually locks in the moisture in the chicken and makes it nice and crispy from outside and juicy from inside. So I'll mix this really well, all the ingredients, so it coats the chicken really nicely. The chicken is coated now nicely. I'll cover this and let it rest in the fridge for about a couple of hours. So guys, the chicken is now nicely marinated. So now it's time to fry them. I've taken some oil in the pan and heated it. So we'll be deep frying the chicken pieces. Put it in the oil. Don't keep the flame too high, keep it on medium low, so you can you can ensure the chicken is crispy from outside and is cooked inside, and also it doesn't burn. So don't keep your flame too high. Let this chicken fry for nice 6 to 7 minutes and until nice crispy golden brown. So guys, you can see the chicken is nice golden brown and it's floating on top, means the chicken is cooked. So let's remove it off in a plate. You can see it's nicely coated well also, and it looks nice and crispy. So I'll now fry the rest of the chicken strips. So let's check out how the chicken is from inside. Let's see it. See, it's nice and tender from inside and not at all hard, but it's crispy from outside. So this is how you want your chicken to be. And now let's make the gravy for the chicken chili. So I've heated the pan with some oil. I'll be adding 1 clove of garlic finely chopped, just to give you that flavor. Then I'll be adding some bell pepper. You can add only green, or as I'm adding red and green, it will give a good color for your chicken chili. Time to add in the onions. You need to roughly dice them. Now also I'll be adding some green slit chilies. I'll just saute them. Also be adding half a teaspoon ginger garlic paste, just for flavor. Time to add some soy sauce. You can add 2 tablespoons soy sauce. After a minute of saute, time to add water. You don't have to over fry these ingredients, just slightly saute it, and time to add some water. I'll be adding a little bit of water because I want to make it semi gravy types, but you can add water as per your choice. If you want to make it like completely gravy, you can add more water. Add in some salt, some pepper powder, and I made some corn slurry out of 1 teaspoon of corn flour. So the corn slurry will be the thickening agent of the gravy. So let's add the corn slurry slowly. And now stir your gravy really well. Now it's time to add in your chicken pieces. And mix it really well along with the gravy. Just bring the gravy to boil until it thickens, and then you can switch off the flame. As the gravy is thickening, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vinegar for taste. Don't add too much of vinegar, otherwise the gravy will become very sour. Later on when you're eating, you can add in more vinegar, but when you're cooking, just add 1 teaspoon. That's enough for your chicken chili. So I'll boil this well for about 2 to 3 minutes so that the chicken gets mixed with the gravy. So guys, the gravy is now thickened, and this is what I want my semi gravy to be. Let's switch off the flame. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video, guys. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter and show us your love. We'll see you next time, guys.